the law of polarity. This is a really good one, and it basically is stating that nothing is good or bad, and it's all just on a spectrum of different things to help you reach towards your higher alignment and higher emotions of feeling peace, love, and bliss. Okay, so for example, we can use war, right? War is on a very low polarity spectrum. It's on fear, it's on hatred, it's anger, very low on the level of consciousness. And what that does is it causes people to feel some type of way. So they're literally trying to kill each other. But at some point, they're going to get to where they're bored of killing each other because they start to realize, like, what is this even solving? What is this doing? Once they've reached that level of boredom, they've reached that level of polarity to where they're going to try to raise even higher to, okay, they're bored, so now I'm going to try to find something to do instead of this boredom. So maybe we're going to try to get some, just talk to them, hear their perspectives. And then you come to a point where you're like content. You're like, okay, we're at peace. There's no more war. And then you want more though. You want more peace. So you go even further and try to have understanding and perspective change up to a point of pure bliss. So the polarity of everything, there's nothing good or bad. Those bad things, quote unquote, tell us and help us to feel the emotion, so then we try to climb back up to that higher emotional capacity, climb higher back to love. All right,